Hi guys, it's Salva here. We will start with this new video about lighting. So let's jump into it. Okay, so here's our scene with some elements, our product that is a New Balance sneaker. So I'm gonna show you the different categories. We must organize this and rename it. So yeah, the scenario with a background playing, our camera with a focus as an empty, and our lights. So we will start showing you the different lights. This is the complete scene with the details of the line lights that are super cool. And let's start showing you the first area light, because I'm using area lights for this project. The back is super cool. We just highlight the profile of the shoe. Yeah, just need to place it in the background. And yeah, as you can see, it's super dramatic and super cool. We can play with the spread, but I think it's okay. The next one is the area light from the right side, so we can see better the different details of the model. But I like just the back the backlight. The next one will be the front light, so we can see better the outsole and the details of the outsole of the sneaker. Yeah, these three are super cool. And the final one is the one from the top that help us to highlight the chair and the lines of the chair, so it's not that dark. Super cool with the metal of the chair, the metal material. And yeah, that's it. Super clean, just 4 area lights and the one from the background that apply something like a concrete texture for the background with a blue one. And yeah, with just 5 lights, we got our complete scene. Super detailed, dramatic lighting, and super cool. I think it's super realistic. Okay, and now, what do we need to do to start playing with our lights if we want to do some changes? What we need to do is, instead of what I'm going to do right now, that is just clicking on one of the lights and start rotating it with the R and moving it with the G, because you can move with the G and rotate with the R. Instead of doing that, we're gonna do a quick trick to organize better and optimize our lighting. So if I start moving the different lights with the R and the G, it will take me a lot of time to place them, and yeah, a lot of commands. So what we're going to do now is create a new collection. You can rename it and change the color of it, and Shift A, empty, cube, empty. We place it in a position that is focused on our product and covers it. And after that, we will start using the track 2 constraint, targeting the empty with both our lights, and you'll see what happens. So this is the last one. We got both of our lights with the constraint track 2 on our empty, our focus empty. And if we just use the G to move the area lights, the lights, you can see that they are rotating around our empty. So it's super cool because we can animate this to get different results. We can modify super fast our lights, and yeah, it's super clean. You must do this. Finally, I'm showing you the line lights or the detail lights that I'm using here because they add super ultra real detail to our scene. Like if we were on a studio, we could change the color of them to apply different contrast on the composition. We can play with the spread, but most of the time we'll try to get the spread values super low. And how can we create these lights? So we just need to do a shift A with an area light and modify the scale on one of the orientations. In my case, this is the text, so I just use SX to modify the scale, and we just get the detail lights or the line lights. And that's it for the first part. I hope you like this tutorial, super fast, super quick, and I think it's so useful. And see you in the next one, the part 2 about lighting, that we will see the gobos lights in Blender cycles. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.